Ooh. But I love it here.
Are you guys ready? No matter how many times I get on that ride, it's incredible and amazing every single time. We had a blast. I almost couldn't breathe on it, so I know what that means. I gotta lose weight now. She's been telling me I gotta lose weight anyway, so it's great motivation because I want to get on that ride so much. It's so awesome. So here we go. That was nice. All right, we're going to Jurassic Park, but we're not getting out Jurassic Park because it's closed and we don't want to get wet.
Then you have